In this video, we'll see how to use a array. First of all, there is a data type. For example, it's an int. Then open bracket close. There will be array name. Let's say array1 equal to new. Again, data type, and here you give the length of array. It's 10. Okay. And I want to initialize this array with a number. In that case, we have to use array1, and in a bracket, let's say the index number 4. I want to initialize the value 20, and I'm going to put a breakpoint here and run this. Okay, just right click on that array and add to watch. So there's a watch list. Here you can see 0 to 9. These are the 10, the length of 10 this array is declared. And I just have a breakpoint here. I'm going to step over, press F10, and now you'll see the index 4 has a value 20 because that's the index 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 has a value 20. Okay, and there is another way that called pre-initialize. In that case, we need a int and array2, just is the array name, equal to. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to initialize these with some values 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, for example. Okay, and put a breakpoint, run this. So that is the array1, and just array2 also add to a watch list, and press F10 to step over, and there you can see array number 2 have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements, and these are initialized by index 0 as a 1, then 3, 5, 7, 9. Thank you very much for watching this video.